On the last equation, I did not give you a good example on how to solve for a geometric, so I'm just doing one example to solve for a geometric when we get this kind of information. Okay, first I recognize that it is geometric just because it fits the formula that we know of geometric, which is A1 times R n minus 1. So I know it matches that. It looks like it matches that. So I have the idea it's geometric, which means I can do my shortcut. S of 7 is going to be the equation. Let me just write the equation right here for everyone. That's going to be A1, 1 minus R to the n power over 1 minus R. So S to the 7th. My first term over here matches the first term over here. So it's going to be 4 times 1 minus R, my R is here, 2 to the 7th power over 1 minus 2. Well, I'm going to continue on with this. That's going to give me the sum of 7 terms. It's 4 times 1 minus 2 to the 7th power. 2 to the 7th power is going to be 128. So 1 minus 128 over 1 minus 2, which is negative 1. 4 times negative 127 over 1 is going to give me just positive 127. And then 127 times 4 is going to be 508. So the sum of the first 7 terms is 508. So instead of finding term 1, term 2, term 3, term 4, term 5, term 6, term 7, I can recognize this geometric, and I am going to solve it. This only applies if you can recognize this as both either geometric or arithmetic. This does not work for anything you cannot recognize. My next video is going to be about infinite sums.